Let's face it, 2020 has changed the way we will do business forever. We have adapted into a virtual-based world, utilizing all different systems and software solutions from Zoom consultations to touch-free transactions. Realizing now more than ever, to have a successful medical aesthetic practice requires so many things, one of which is knowing your numbers and understanding the financial health of your practice. What does that even mean? I'm going to tell you. Hi, I'm Terri Ross, CEO and founder of Terri Ross Consulting and APX. Our firm has worked with hundreds of practices across the country, helping them to launch, grow, and scale. We have realized that one of the biggest issues that are consistent across the country and across all practices, regardless of the size, is measuring and analyzing data. Did you know that actually less than 10% of aesthetic practices measure their data? You guys, that's no one. That's a very small percentage. So Terri Ross Consulting and Ronan Solutions have partnered up in a collaborative effort to bring you this one-of-a-kind, cutting-edge aesthetic data through the APX platform. Ronan Solutions provides the Aesthetic Society statistical data. I'm going to say it again, statistical data. So now this is a joint venture between two technology companies that are experts in cloud hosting, security, and the aesthetic medicine data set. APX by Terri Ross Consulting is an integrative training platform that provides solutions for the medical aesthetics industry in the areas of sales, finance, and operations, along with revolutionary software to help you keep a pulse on the most critical elements of a growing practice that will help you increase efficiency and increase your profitability. APX features 5 key components that include Train, Abacus, Lucid, Gauge, and of course our community. Most of the top practice management systems and EMRs out there, they provide quality reporting, but that's very specific to your respective practice, not comparing you to others. Data standardization across practices with any level of organization of devices, procedures, and products is not possible with these systems because of the ad hoc creation of the procedure description that's put in your software. The Ronan Solutions dataset provides unique levels of organization of the data, and it's standardized across practices and systems that'll actually compare apples to apples and oranges to oranges. This data set is a unique aggregate coming from hundreds of aesthetic practices, both in surgical and non-surgical, looking at different specialties with nationwide distribution, and again, standardized against all practices. This information is also updated weekly and monthly. When you really break it down, guys, an aesthetic practice is a retail business. As a practitioner, you're selling a product, a service, a surgery to a consumer. Data of this type provides insights into your business, your practice, and it also looks at consumer behavior. Every retail business utilizes some type of consumer and business metric data to understand what's going on, what happened previously, what's ongoing, looking at future trends. This information is critical to creating an efficient and long-term profitable business. The COVID-19 pandemic has created a worldwide change in consumer and business behavior. At this point, the duration and long-lasting effects are unknown and quite fluid. Understanding the nuances of this type of behavior will be essential for your business profitability, more importantly, the viability of your practice. I invite you to visit the APX platform to schedule a demo with one of our team members to learn how our training and software, including this unique benchmarking data, will give you valuable insights into the aesthetic market so that you can increase your operational efficiency and profitability, more importantly, revolutionize your entire practice.